Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the original Nintendo Wii. So there's just a note guys, this Wii is not sealed. If this was sealed I definitely wouldn't be opening it. But anyway, this thing is in perfect condition. I bought this at a car boot sale probably about a year ago now for about £20. Normally I wouldn't pay that for a Wii, but I thought it was a really good price seeing how good the condition was. So let's just go ahead and unbox this because I haven't really looked at it. I looked at it once since I bought it because I like to have a console that it's in really good condition, and I just thought, you know, why not unbox it now and just see if it has everything. So it says UKV here, right here, so I guess that means it's the UK version. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So right here in the box it's got two sections. It's got section 1 and 2. Section 2 has the console, the controller and the power cable. Section 1 has the nunchuck, whatever that thing is. The, what's that thing called? Like the the sensor bar and the AV cable connection. So let's just take these out. There you go guys, so that's everything out. The box is now completely empty. I really like the box actually design. It's really basic, Wii at the front, and then everything else is just Wii, you know, just with the grey logo. So that's quite nice. So here we have everything. We've got the power cable, we've got the console itself. I'm actually kind of interested to see if it's got an SD card in it. I'm going to try and take this out without ruining anything because this is literally how it is when you'd buy it brand new. So here's the console, really good condition. Nope, no SD card, oh well. And there's the GameCube adapters, and yeah, really, I'm actually kind of pleased with this. Right, so next we have got the Wii controller with the sort of like rubber protector on there. I really don't like these things, they're just not really that useful. But anyway, here's the controller, got the strap attached to it. This is probably the original bag that the controller would come in, so I'll be sure to put that back in there. And of course we've got the power cable. I'm not going to bother taking it out because I'll probably never get it back in. In the lower section right here, looks like we've got the Wii instruction manual. Yep, there you go. No one ever reads these things, but I guess they have to include them. Next we have got the, Wii Sports. That's pretty cool. I didn't expect that to be in here, to be honest. Just check it's the right game. Yep, Wii Sports right there. We have got, I have no idea what this is actually. Might be fully, might feel like the sensor bar or something. It's got some sticky pads on top. I have no idea what this thing is. Oh, it's got Nintendo on it, so you know it's official. If you guys know what this is, please let me know in the comments because I generally have no idea. Never seen this before. It must be for the sensor bar though, I would have thought. Okay, so we've also got the stand of the Wii. In here we have got the AV cables. I'll probably just leave them like that because they're in there very neatly, and if I take them out I'll probably never get them back in again. We've got just some of the bags that the stuff came in. This has been unboxed before. I've got a nunchuck right here. Here is the sensor bar, tangled up very nicely. More instructions. There's so many instructions with this thing. Oh, copyrights in there. And there's a really cool trendy guy playing with nunchuck. You can definitely tell this thing's from like 2007. Oh, Club Nintendo code, guys. First one to redeem this code gets it. And Club Nintendo was so awesome. I got so much cool stuff from that. We have got a quick setup guide. What's this? Oh, another Club Nintendo for the Wii console. Oh man, that's actually pretty cool. So it's a shame they removed it actually. I used to really like getting the small prizes off this thing. What else have we got? Another instructions. Wii Sports Manual. So many manuals for this. Operations Manual. What is this? Get a free copy of Mario Strikers Charged Football. I'm pretty sure that game was terrible, but just another leaflet sort of thing. Some more bags to put stuff in. Oh, we've got the stand, the like plastic stand that goes at the bottom of that grey part. More bags, other stuff. There's like an adapter here. Okay, so it's an AV adapter to SCART lead, I believe that's called. I didn't actually know they would include this, to be honest. And we've got something else here. What is that? It's a USB to whatever this is. I have no flipping clue, but it looks kind of interesting. And that is all that's in there. So yeah, fairly basic pack, but it comes with everything that you need. As I say, I'm really pleased with this. Really good condition. £20, you can't go wrong really. If I was going to buy one online for that price, it would nowhere near be as good as this. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.